Yo, what's good? It's your boy Hector here, and today we are doing, I'm making a vlog. I just wanted to tell you guys that, I'm gonna be going camping, so this weekend I'm not gonna post any videos, but I'll be making videos during the weekend while I'm camping to upload for you guys. So I just thought I'd make you guys a little update on that, and just like tell you guys that I'm not gonna be updating videos this weekend at all. Even though I usually do update videos on the weekend, but I'm just gonna do that so I can take videos and then tell you guys all about my camping experience. And peace out.